Introduction to Telemedicine Specialist Referrals.
The telemedicine apps offer a convenient way to access healthcare, including referrals to medical specialists. If you need expert care or further evaluation, these platforms help you connect with the right professionals. Let's explore how to request and receive specialist referrals through virtual care services, so you can efficiently manage your health from home.
Creating your account and booking a virtual visit.
Start by downloading and registering on a trusted telemedicine app. After setting up your profile and entering basic health information, choose your concern and book a virtual appointment. Many platforms allow you to pick a time slot and provider, ensuring you connect with a physician who can address your referral needs.
Discussing your concerns with a virtual provider.
During your video or chat visit, clearly explain your symptoms, medical history, and why you believe you need a specialist referral. The telemedicine doctor will assess your condition, review your records if available, and determine if a referral is appropriate. Providing detailed information will help the provider make an informed decision.
Receiving the specialist referral.
If the provider agrees a referral is needed, they will often generate an electronic referral. This may be sent directly to a specialist within the app's network, or you may receive a document you can share with your specialist or insurance. Some apps offer in-app appointment booking, making the process even smoother.
Next steps after getting your referral.
Once you have your specialist referral, follow your app's instructions to schedule a consultation. You may receive notifications or access your referral in your account messages. Check your insurance requirements and be prepared to provide any documents from your telemedicine visit at your specialist appointment.
Tips for a smooth telemedicine referral experience.
Update your medical records in the app, have your questions ready, and check your internet connection before your visit. Always choose reputable platforms and ensure your insurance covers virtual visits and specialist referrals. Keeping these steps in mind will help you navigate telemedicine referrals confidently and efficiently.